In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo bigger on Xero Invoice. If your logo looks tiny on your invoices, the most reliable way to increase its size in Xero is by using a custom invoice template where the logo area has been enlarged. We'll walk through getting into Xero, heading to the right settings, and uploading that template so your logo displays bigger and cleaner on your invoices. Start by going to the Xero login page in your browser. Click Login and sign into your account as you normally would. If you're practicing or just testing changes, choose the Demo Company option when it appears. If you're working on your own organization, simply select your company instead and continue. Once you're on the dashboard, open the menu and go to Settings. From there, choose Invoice Settings. This is where Xero keeps your branding themes and custom templates. On the Invoice Settings page, scroll down until you see the section for uploading templates. This is the area that lets you add a DOSX invoice template you've edited to have a larger logo container. Click Upload to begin. Then choose Browse for Invoice to locate your custom template file on your computer. Select the file and click Open. Before you upload, make sure the template you're choosing has the logo placeholder enlarged to the size you want. The logo's final size on the invoice is controlled by the space allocated in the template, so enlarging that container is what makes the logo appear bigger in Xero. For best results, use a high-quality logo image in your template. Ideally, a PNG or JPG with enough resolution so it doesn't look blurry when scaled up. After selecting the file, click Upload to add it to Xero. The system will process the template, and once uploaded, it will be available alongside your other invoice layouts. If you run into an error, double-check that the file is in the supported DOSX format, that the merge fields are intact, and that the file isn't password protected. Keeping the file name clear and versioned can help you identify the correct layout later. That's it. By logging in, going to Settings, opening Invoice Settings, scrolling to the template area, and uploading your customized invoice template with a bigger logo placeholder, you'll make your logo display larger on your invoices. When you create your next invoice, select this template to see the change in action. If it still looks a bit small, adjust the logo area in your template and re-upload until you're happy with the result.